Jerash is situated north of Amman. It's been inhabited since the Bronze Age and includes some amazing archaeological structures and buildings. The site covers a huge area, so it takes you about half a day to walk around it and take in all that it has to offer. The reason why there is background music of bagpipes will become evident as you watch this video. So what will you see in this video or as you walk around Jerash? First of all, there is the 2nd century Hadrian's Arch. There are Corinthian columns of the Temple of Artemis and forums and a noble colonnade. It was just quite amazing to watch and to wander around. It gives you a real flavour of how people lived in those circumstances. There's also a hippodrome which hosted chariot races in front of up to 15,000 spectators, and a theatre which was built in the 1st century which has a capacity of 5,000 spectators. Musicians often play in the theatre, and we were lucky enough for them to be there when we visited. Given the bagpipe music, I just had to join in with a wee Highland fling, as you will see in a minute. And the bagpipe guy actually told me that he'd played at Edinburgh Festival a number of years ago when the King of Jordan had also been at the Edinburgh Festival, so that was quite good fun to hear about as well. And I really actually quite enjoyed making a bit of a fool of myself, dancing to the music and being sort of smiled at by other tourists who were there. There's been a number of earthquakes in the period since Jerash was originally built, and so some of the colonnades etc. had been knocked down. I think there's been quite sensitive reconstruction work just so that you get the opportunity to see what it would have liked, and I thought that was really fantastic, just walking between the colonnades and imagining what 1st century Bronze Age men, just what the Romans, what the Greeks would have experienced living in this absolutely fantastic place. This is somewhere that I would absolutely definitely recommend, and it's also used by the locals, as you can see, to look after their goats. Perhaps a slightly different take on how to look after archaeological properties as we would have, I guess, but it was interesting to see how it's been used now as well.